Hello guys, this is God's Power Ogiagbe. So today I will show you step by step how you can make $50 every single month. Yes, I will show you how you can make $50 every single month. All you just need to do, pay attention to this video, and I will show you step by step of everything you need to know. I know you'll be wondering what is the method that we are going to use to make money, or what is it about. So this is, we are going to talk about affiliate marketing and how you can be able to start making passive income every single month. Just keep on watching and let us head over to this website. So as you can see guys, this is the website which is called Sofa SEO. Sofa SEO is one of the best AI tool that allows you to rank your website on the top of Google. So the first thing you need to do on this video is to go and watch my video that will show you step by step how you can create your free website. You don't need to pay money to create your website. It's just free. So once you have your website created, you need to come to this website which is called Jasper. So what does Jasper do? Jasper is an AI content writer. So what they do, this is artificial intelligence tool that allows you to write articles in anything you want to write about. Just come up with an idea of what you want to write about. Jasper will do the writing for you. So once you come with the idea, tell Jasper, and Jasper will do the work for you. If you want to write article, blog post, email, you want to send email to your client, you want to make a Facebook post, anything you want to do, Jasper will do everything for you. So the link to use Jasper will be in the description below. So let us go back to Sofa SEO. So what Sofa SEO do is that it rank your article on the top of Google. So let me say you are done creating your website now. What you just need to do, write your articles with Jasper. Once you are done writing your articles with Jasper, you have your blog now set. So what you need to do is to come to Sofa SEO and look what people are using on that keyword that you are ranking for, so that you will be the one that you rank on top of Google. So that is what you need to understand about Sofa SEO. But I know I'm talking about how you can use Sofa SEO, but how can you make money with Sofa SEO? So how you can make money with Sofa SEO is when you join their affiliate program. So if you scroll down here, let us scroll down, let me show you. If you scroll down here, just scroll down to the bottom of Jasper. So you see a section where it said affiliate program. So I'll click on that. So once I click on it here, it will open. So now that Sofa SEO have opened, you will see that it said apply. So yeah, but one thing I want you to pay attention, I want you to just scroll down a bit here. You will see it say we will helping pay you 25 commission to spread the word about it. So yeah, so what is happening here is that you are promoting Sofa SEO. You are promoting Sofa SEO to your client or to your audience, and anyone that starts using Sofa SEO, you are going to be making money. Let me show you how much you will be making on Sofa SEO. If I click on pricing here now, let me quickly show you something. If I click on pricing here, I click on pricing, it will open up. Let me click on pricing and it will open. So now that I've clicked on pricing here, you can see that it have opened, and if you scroll down here, you will see the pricing of Sofa SEO. Sofa SEO, you can see have $49 and $99, and which is pro plan. Basic plan is $49 and the business plan is $199 every single month. Yeah, so that's it. And let me say, for example, your audience, or your audience, they pick this plan, which is the basic plan, which is going to be $49 every single month. They are going to be paying this, and you are going to be making 25% from this amount. So you are going to be getting 25% from this amount. Let me pull out my calculator here. You will see that the 25% of that $49 is $12.59. If we times this $12.50, let us say $12.50 times 4, or let's say times 4 or times 5. Let us do times 4, and you will see that it will give you $50 every single month. That is just for 4 people, by telling 4 people to start using this tool. So what you are going to be targeting is people who is looking for a way to rank their articles, to rank their blog. That is the people you are going to be targeting with this kind of SEO tools. So I want you to put this in your mind. So yeah, so how can you start promoting software SEO? What you can do here, go to Google and search for software SEO, which is the keyword you want to rank for. Search software SEO, and once you search for software SEO here, what is going to happen here? You are going to see people who is ranking at the top of Google. You can see this person ranking at the top of Google, software SEO. Software SEO, and you can see this person is ranking software SEO test 2022, and you can see that this person is getting, you can see the estimate monthly traffic for this domain in United States is 1,141 visitors every single month that this person is getting from United States. And you can see the word that this person have written on this article is 1,893, and the keyword is ranked, the number of exact keyword is the number of exact keyword, which is this software SEO, how many times he used this word on his articles. He used it 30 times. This person too, he is getting 38k and 265 visitors every single month, and the word is 187 word. And how many times he used software SEO? He used it 17 times, and is ranking in the second position on Google. So I want you to understand what I'm trying to talk about here. So you need to write your articles on your website, which is that your free website you created. And if you want to create that your free website, like I said from the beginning, the link to create your free website to be in the description. It will be the first link. So once you click on that, you'll be able to create your website for free. And once you write articles with this keyword, you see it will start ranking on Google. And when people search for it, your website will start displaying. So you need to make sure you use more software SEO on that your articles. You write more word. You see this person writes like 1,893 word. So you can write at least, let me say 3,000 or 4,000 word. Do times 2 of, do times 3 of what this person wrote. Explain a lot, give more details, give more reviews about software SEO. That will put you in a chance of ranking on Google. This is not just the only part. So what you need to do, this software SEO is the keyword you want to rank for. So what you can do here now is to see if this software SEO if it's a high competition keyword. A high competition keyword is if is in your articles, or this is when you have difficulties on ranking on Google. But if you have a low competition keyword, which is this software SEO, if it's a low competition keyword, you'll be in a chance of ranking with this keyword. So to find out about this problem here, you can come and search for Google Ads. Just come here and search for Google Ads. Search for Google Ad here, and once you search for Google Ad, click on the first one. Yes, just click on the first one and it will open up. So once it open up, you need to log into your own account if you don't have your account. To create an account is very simple. It's just your Gmail and password. You are good to go. I will click login. So once I click on login now, it's going to log me into my Google Ad account. So when it opens, your own might not look like this because I'm running ads sometimes. That is why you can see mine like this. So what you need to do, click on this section where it says tools and settings. This section here, click on tools and settings and come to this section here. Click on keyword planner. So when you click on keyword planner here, what is going to happen here is going to open up and you will choose keyword planner. So what you can do here, click on discover new keyword and remove your current country and click on remove that and click on save, and come here and search for software SEO. You need to search for software SEO. So once you search for software SEO, click on get result. So once you click on get result, it's going to open the keyword here, and let us just focus on that keyword, which is software SEO. Not like that. We are just going to make sure we write it in a proper way. Let me write it in small letter. Yeah, software SEO, and I will click on get results so that it will open it. Yes, so yeah, so now you can see software SEO. You can see average monthly search is getting up to 10k to 100k searches every single month. And you can see the competition, which is what we are looking for, is low. So you can see the competition here is low, and it's not changing, so yeah, so this is a good keyword to rank for. What you can do here is to click the keyword here, which is software SEO, and click on copy. So once you click on copy, what you can do now is to go to your website that you created for free and go and write articles about this software SEO. Use this as the title, and just use it as the title and add some word into it, and make sure you have to set it as the targeted keyword. And once you are done with that, then your articles, make sure the articles you will write, make sure you have to write, like what I said, write at least 3,000 to 4,000 words. Make sure you write more than your competitors, people who is ranking higher on Google. Make sure you write more articles more than them. Give more explanation about this software SEO tools. And two, don't forget again to explain it, give more details about this tool, which is software SEO, and talk about the pricing, talk about how it works, talk about the good side and the bad side of these SEO tools. And once you are done writing articles about this software SEO, and you will now start sharing that your content on Facebook, Instagram, Quora. So those are places that you can start sharing your articles, and you still have more chance of getting more views, more visitors. And go and join a bunch of Facebook group and share your link. Before you share your link, make sure you write engaging content about software SEO and share it with them. At the end of the day, you will find yourself getting a lot of clicks. And at the end of the day, maybe if you have 1,000 clicks, maybe you might get like 4 or 5 people that will decide to start using the pro plan of software SEO, and you will start making $12 per each month. That they are, as long as they are subscribers, you are going to be making $12.50 every single month. So that is what I need to talk about on this video. I'll give you strategy and everything you need to know. And one thing I need to talk about, if you have opened your account, if you are applying on software SEO, what I like is that you can see it say what is the referring cookie life. You can see it's a referral cookie life is 30 days. If user purchase the product after 30 days since the first referral visit, the conversion won't be tracked anymore. So if the person you refer to this program, let me say for example, they click on your affiliate link that software SEO give to you, and if they buy the product within 30 days from that same phone that they use to buy something from this these services, which is software SEO, you are going to still make money, even if they didn't click through your link. As long as they have clicked your URL on anywhere that they click it from, even if software SEO is sending them, like still targeting them, as within 30 days, if they start using software SEO, you are going to get this. You are going to be the person that refer them, and you can start making money every single month, 25%. So that is what I need to talk about the cookies of software SEO. I hope you are getting my understanding. If you are liking this video, all I want you to smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that is everything I need to talk about software SEO. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, so that's it guys, and I hope that you enjoy this my tutorial about software SEO. And let me quickly talk about Jasper if you want to use Jasper too. So like what I said, Jasper is is artificial intelligence which helps you to write blogs, articles. They help you to write anything at all, Facebook ad, anything at all that you think about. Just come here, say it, just put the title, and Jasper will do the work for you. That is what they do. They help you to write your articles. And what I can say is that when you use AI tool like this, all you just need to do is to retouch that your content. Don't just leave it like the AI write it for you. Just at least change some word, make it look human, make it look like it's a human that write it, not robot. So because this is a robot writing, Google will always understand it, and that you can find it difficult to rank on Google. But if you want to make sure you rank on Google with using AI tools, you need to at least retouch your content. Even if AI do it more than you, just retouch it. Google will understand, and Google will put your page on top of Google. So that is what I need to talk about. Go and start using Jasper, or you can start using Sofa SEO. It just depends on you. So before I end this video, you can see this my website that I created for free. Like I said, you can go and create your own website for free. The link will be the first link in the description. All you just need to do, go and create your website for free. It's very simple. So that's it, guys. Before I end this video, go and check my website. So this is my website. Come to this place, click on this community and click on Hugo's Power Forum. So on this my forum, what I do is that I reply your question. Just come here, ask me any question you want to ask me on this my forum, and you can click on topic here, enter your topic, ask me any question. You can go through the topics that I have already listed on this my website, on this my forum. Just go to Hugo's Power and click on community, click on Hugo's Power Forum, ask me any question you want to ask me about any way you want to use to start to make money online. And that is it. And before we close this video, you can see if I click on blogs, so I have a blog I created where this blog, I'm updating this blog every single week. I'm updating this blog every single week with new ways on how you can make money online, which is this my blog here, which is how to make money online, top one step-by-step guide. If I click on this blog now, it will open. So what I do on this my blog, like I said, I update it every single week with new ways and new website that you can use to make money online. What you can do here, click on table and select any way you want to use to make money online. Affiliate marketing, making money online for free, watching video, downloading application, they are all here. Just use any one you want to use. You can click on, let me see, if I click on feature point here, it will take me exactly to feature point, a chapter, and all I just need to do is to read through and know and learn how to make money with feature point. And I will click on join feature point now to take me to feature point app, and I will start using it to start making money online. So that is what I need to talk about, guys. You can go and check it out. And the last of the part of this video is you can go and check our SEO tools, which is USafe SEO. This my SEO tools allows you to rewrite articles, plagiarism checker, mental tag analyzer, keyword position, backlink checker, word counter, and a bunch of SEO tools that you can find on this my website. This is my new SEO tools website, so you can go and check it out. Let me know what you think about this my SEO tools website. And again, don't forget again to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me to know what you think about my videos. Let me to know what you think about this video you just ended. And yeah, so all the links about all the websites I talked about how you can make money online, the links will be in the description below. So go and start making money with affiliate marketing. Thank you, and see you on the next one.